Hello, patrons. I am asking your grace in something I want to do. I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be great for Patreon. It's going to be great for YouTube. It's going to be great for everyone. And that is, I wanted to, first of all, let me tell you that I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Patreon videos because I make 5 a week, every week without fail for you for $5 a month. I want to take one a week from the very oldest Patreon videos and put it on YouTube to show the YouTubers what they're missing on Patreon. So when you see them on YouTube, they are going to be monetized. That means they're going to have advertisements on them. If you want to watch that one again, you can come over here and watch it without advertisements. But anybody over there will watch it with advertisements, understanding that they can watch 5 a week on the Patreon channel for only $5 a month. So again, I wanted to ask your grace in this. I'm excited about it, and I think that it will really open Patreon up to a lot of people. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.